Hello po, share ko lang yung Objective 8 for Craft 4 Curriculum and Planning na non-classroom observable for PMES 2025-2026. So ito po ay pwede natin ito mapaghandaan para po makaipon na tayo ng mga MOVs na kailangan natin. Since ngayon po, 2 quarter na po yung lumipas. So meron na tayong pwedeng mga tabi na MOVs for this objective. So ano ba yung Objective 8? So sa Objective 8, participated in collegial discussions that use teacher and learner feedback to enrich teaching practice. So this is PPST 4.4.2. So yung 4 po is the domain, then yung 4 is for Craft 4, and then yung 2 is for the pang-proficient teacher po siya. Beginning towards proficient. Okay, so ibig sabihin po ng Objective 8, kailangan makapagpakita tayo ng proof that we have joined and contributed to collegial discussions katulad ng mga LAC sessions, meetings, or professional learning groups that help us improve our teaching through teacher and learner feedback. So ano yung mga means of verifications natin or MOBs? Nakalagay dito, any of the following documents. So ito yung mga kailangan natin. We have proof or proofs of attendance in LAC sessions, meetings, other collegial discussions related to the indicator. So ibig sabihin, pwede yung mga certificates, attendance sheets, screenshots ng participation in LAC sessions or meetings about using feedback to improve teaching. Or pwede rin mga pictures. Yan. Next po is learning journal showing the teacher's reflection on enriching his/her teaching practice based on the LAC session meetings, other collegial discussion on teacher and learner feedback with proof of attendance. So, dito naman, pwedeng magpakita tayo ng short reflection or journal entry where dinidescribe natin kung ano yung natutunan natin from that collegial discussion, especially kung paano natin in-apply yung teacher or learner feedback sa klase natin. Next, yung 3 po natin is accomplishment report or yung minutes ng mga LAC sessions. Report or minutes of the meeting showing na kung paano tayo nagkaroon ng active contribution. Example, nag-share tayo ng ideas, nag-give tayo ng feedback, or nag-discuss tayo ng mga classroom strategies. Or pwede rin naman other collegial discussion or documentation na nagpapakita ng ating professional collaboration. So, kahit anong document po pwede. Screenshot ng mga collaborative outputs, action plans, or LAC summaries na nagpo-prove that we work with colleagues to enhance teaching through feedback. So, mahalaga po yung word na feedback. Next po, nakalagay po ay ang means of verification natin ay any of the following. So, ibig sabihin po, hindi kailangang lahat nun ay maipasa. Pero, syempre, mas mataas ang quality rating kapag mas substantial or halimbawa, yung accomplishment report yung ipinasa natin with evidence of insights or contribution. Ngayon, paano po natin malalaman kung ano yung magiging rating natin? Depende dun sa ipinasa nating MOBs. Meron po tayong performance indicator for this objective. Ito po, para meron tayong quality at saka timeliness. Nakalagay po, para makakuha tayo ng 5 na rating, kailangan we shared insights and or suggestions on the effective use of teacher and learner feedback during LAC sessions as evidenced by MOV3. Ibig sabihin po, hindi lang tayo umattend, but we also actively shared insight and ideas. And ang kailangan na MOVs natin doon ay yung accomplishment report or minutes na nagpapakita ng insights or contribution natin doon sa mismong discussion. Next, for very satisfactory, reflected on the use of teacher and learner feedback obtained from the LAC sessions as evidenced by MOV2. Ito naman po, umattend tayo and then nag-write tayo ng reflections on how the discussion helped us to improve teaching. So, ang ating MOV doon ay learning journal or reflection kasi yun po yung nakalagay sa MOV 2 natin. Ito. Next po natin is yung sa satisfactory natin, completed lock session as evidence by MOV1. Ito naman, sa MOV1 po natin, ang proof of attendance lang po ang meron tayo doon na MOV. Ibig sabihin po nun, umattend lang tayo and then complete the session. Yun lang. Then, for unsatisfactory naman po, o yung rating na 2, attended but did not complete the discussions. O, ibig sabihin, partial attendance proof lang po tayo doon. Nag-participate pero hindi natin tinapos yung lock session or hindi tayo nakapag-provide ng evidence of learning. And yung 1 po is no acceptable evidence. Hindi tayo nag-attend dun sa mismong lock or meetings and then wala tayo may provide syempre na proof. Now, dun naman po pagdating sa timeliness, o kailangan po ay meron tayong participation in collegial discussion on teacher and learner feedback across 4 quarters para makakuha ng 5 na rating or outstanding. Kapag ka 3 quarters lang, 4 lang. Kapag ka 2 quarters, 3 are satisfactory. And then kapag ka 1 quarter lang is unsatisfactory. Doon po sa quality, kailangan ang pinakamahalaga pong MOV na meron tayo ay yung accomplishment report or yung minutes of meeting. Showing that you shared insight, suggestion, or contributions during the lock. Kailangan nakalagay po dun sa accomplishment report at saka dun sa minutes ng meeting kung ano yung shared nating insights or suggestion or contribution during the lock session. Now, mayroon na tayong 5 for quality. Ngayon, sa timeliness, nakalagay kasi is 4 quarters. So, isipin natin, kailangan ba puro accomplishment report for 4 quarters ang ating ipasa para makakuha ng 5 for timeliness? Hindi naman po. Pwede natin siyang i-mix. Kasi nakalagay, naman po nakalagay dun sa timeliness na kailangan ay yung MOV3 ang ipasa natin across 4 quarters. So, kailangan lang po nag-participate tayo sa collegial discussion ng 4 na quarter. So, pwede pong isang MOV natin ay accomplishment report. Yun na po yung para sa quality natin. And then, yung the rest, pwede na siyang iba-iba. Pwedeng reflection journal na lang para sa second quarter or pwedeng sa third quarter. Yung proof of attendance na lang sa 4th quarter, reflection journal. Pwede na po tayong mag-mix doon as long as yung isang MOV natin doon sa isang quarter ay accomplishment report para magkaroon tayo ng 5 na rating. In my case po, sa ginawa ko po para sa first quarter, nagkaroon po kasi kami ng lock sessions na about implementation of rapid math assessment for key stage 3. Ang ginawa ko po is learning journal or reflection lang muna. Kasi may naka-assign po for the accomplishment report. Kaya ito po yung ginamit ko. Learning journal or reflection. So kung gusto nyo pong magkaroon ng accomplishment report, pwedeng kayo na yung gumawa or pwedeng hingin nyo po yung copy dun sa mismong naka-assign for accomplishment report. So, naglagay na din po ako ng proof of attendance ng lock session for quarter 1. Sabi nga, the more na meron kang may papakita, mas substantial siya o mas malakas yung outstanding na rating. Okay, so, naglagay ako ng mga pictures namin during the distribution. Then, nilagay ko na din yung program invitation kasi ako yung na-assign dito. And then, naglagay na din ako ng picture during the lock session kung saan ako naman yung mga nagpe-present nung slide. So, ayan, proof of attendance talaga yan that I attended the lock session for quarter 1. For quarter 2, ang nilagay ko din is learning journal ulit. Pero, ito naman is about collegial discussion. So, meron kasing time na nagpaturo ako dun sa aming master teacher about dun sa lesson plan na gagamitin ko for the demo teaching dun para sa ECT. Ayun, nagpatulong ako sa kanya and then in return, nag-share naman ako sa kanya ng ginamit ko na tool for plotting of points kasi rectangular coordinate system yung aking topic. So, gumamit ako ng GeoGebra. So, shinare ko naman yun sa kanya. So, parang nagkaroon kami ng teacher and learner feedback doon. So, ayan. And, ang bala ko for quarter 3, kailangan makapag-provide ako ng accomplishment report para magkaroon ako ng 5 na rating for quality. And, for quarter 4 naman, pwede naman ako mag-provide na lang ng minutes of meeting or pwedeng kahit certificate na lang din. So, any of the 4 of the other MOBs, pwede na siya. So, yun lang po yung para sa Craft 4 Curriculum Planning for Objective 8. This is again a non-classroom observable indicator for PMES 2025-2026. Thank you!